This is the McKinley Princess Lodge, room 1733. And here's our room tour. So, I guess we can start with the bathroom, as any place. And it is your basic hotel bathroom with a toilet, with shower tub combo. They bring you body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So you do not need to worry about that here, though they were in trial sizes, as I recall, at the last place. And you get a nice big mirror and counter area. This is the closet area. And this is the room. It is not as grand as my last room, but it will definitely work. I like that it has a nice place for your laptop and such. There is no power available on this particular plug, nor is there any place to plug in on the lamp or anything. So if you're going to use that, you're going to be pressed for power. Let's see. There is one power outlet with an available plug over here, and there is one on the wall here. So worst comes, you should be able to manage somehow. We have the old school kind of thermostat and these beds, and of course my backpack and such. And let's see, what do we have here? We have, this is nice, we have 2 power plugs, 2 USB plugs. Excuse me, in here. We have your standard drawer, which has Kleenex and a Bible if you need it. We have a pretty good dresser, actually. Yep. Your basic drawers, flat screen TV, a little table with 2, I guess they're almost arts and crafts chairs, aren't they? And this is the view out of my window, actually. It is pouring, and so you can see the rain coming off the downspout here, or off the roof. But this part here is the prettier side. I can't speak. Okay, this part here is a prettier side. But it is a gray and drizzly day, so not a whole lot you can do about that. Oh, and look at the pretty flowers. They have these little bouquets all over the place. They're not bouquets, they're hanging plants, but they're very pretty. And we have some artwork too. And of course, same with the artwork on the lamps. There are mooses here, and then this one's the moose and the bear. Pretty cool. So, that is it for the room tour. And I think it's a good room. I think it'll do just fine. Solo Sue signing off.